Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Homemade cakes are something that we all love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful, rich, decadent and delicious cake using Oreos. Now this is a lovely Oreo cake and we're going to use these Oreo biscuits to actually make the cake and also make a wonderful buttercream frosting using the Oreo cream. Now I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys, so let's get started and check it out. For the Oreo cake, I've taken 3 120 grams of Oreo biscuits. That's a total of 360 grams. Now I'm going to separate the biscuits and the cream. So now I've separated the biscuits and the cream. I'm going to transfer the Oreo biscuits to a mixer jar and I'm going to powder it. Transfer the biscuit powder to a bowl. Next add half cup of sugar. Next to the bowl sieve 3/4 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients together. For this recipe I've taken 1 cup of unsalted melted butter. This is a 250 ml cup. Just mix everything together. 1 cup of milk. This is boiled and cooled milk and it's a 250 ml cup. Make sure you beat the cake batter nicely for about a minute on high speed. So this is a nice smooth free flowing batter. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Line the cake tin with butter paper. Pour the prepared cake batter. Just smoothen the top so it's all even. Bake the cake for about 45 minutes to an hour at 180 degrees centigrade. The cake is baked beautifully. Cool the cake completely and then remove from the tin. For the buttercream frosting, I've taken 200 grams of unsalted softened butter. To the butter, add the Oreo cream. Beat the butter and the Oreo cream together for about a minute or so till you get this lovely, soft, creamy texture. Your buttercream frosting for the Oreo cake is done. Keep it aside. So I've taken 200 ml of fresh cream and 250 grams of dark sweet chocolate. This is cooking chocolate to make the ganache. Melt the chocolate along with the cream. Now you can see the ganache is ready. It's got a lovely smooth flowing ganache. Now I'm going to spread the buttercream frosting that I prepared onto one layer of the cake. Spread it generously onto one of the layers. Since we're making a nice big layer cake, I've made another Oreo cake. Place the next layer of cake on top of the cream. Take a little bit of the buttercream frosting. Just spread it around to fill all the little gaps. Now I'm going to pour the chocolate ganache over the cake. Pour it evenly on all sides so the cake is completely covered. Place the Oreo biscuits. I've removed the cream and I've placed 1/2 of the Oreo biscuits around the cake. I've taken the Oreo buttercream frosting in a piping bag and I'm going to decorate the cake. Now you can decorate the cake however you want. I've kept it nice and simple. Wow, the cake looks absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to cut the cake. You can see the beautiful layers in the cake with a rich Oreo buttercream frosting. It's a wonderful cake to try. Wow, that Oreo cake looks absolutely incredible. It's so rich and moist, and you can see from the recipe it's made with very simple ingredients. So do try these wonderful cakes, share it with your family and friends.